Oh, he just ran really quick. You cheeky little fuzzball. Little fuzzball. Little fuzzball. Little fuzzball. Little fuzzball. Little fuzzball. Fuzzball, 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 fuzzball. Little fuzzball, little fuzzball, little fuzzball. Oh, looky, so cute. Oh, cute. You are 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 cute. Cute. Fuzzball, 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 fuzzball. Fuzzball, 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 fuzzball. Oh, look at you, so cute. Yes, you're cute, aren't you? So cute. Yes, you are. Cute. Little fuzzball, little fuzzball. Fuzzball, fuzzball, fuzzball. Oi, little bugger. Oi! Maybe I should carry you back to your shop. You shouldn't be out here. I'm going to carry you back to the shop, mate. This cat is no stray. He lives in a shop just up that passageway there. Lovely cat. Oh, he's cute. This cat is a boy. I shan't say its name. I know its name, but I won't say what his name is. He's just lovely. He always ran away. Right. Come here. This is a male cat, and he resides in one of the shops. He's not stray, so no feeding him. Don't take him to RSPCA. Don't do any of that. He's absolutely fine. He's lovely. Wait, fuzzball. He's lovely. Oh, he's gorgeous. Yes, you're cute, aren't you? Little bugger, aren't you? Yes, running around everywhere. Oh, he's gorgeous. Yes, bugger this one. Aww. Fuzzball, fuzzball, fuzzball. Fuzzball. Where's he going now? Fuzzball, fuzzball.